In this Do It Step-by-Step video, I'm going to show you how you can make an attachment for your socket wrench or cordless driver so you can easily raise or lower the scissor jack levelers for your camper. Now, I have a happier camper and I just love it. And one of the things I understand about people who RV is that when they get to camp, they want to set their camper up as quickly as possible. And one of those things that they have to do is to level their camper. Well, with the happier camper, we have this little crank, manual crank, to raise and lower the scissor jacks. It works fine, but it would be really nice to be able to do this using a socket wrench or a cordless driver. And I dug around on my toolbox and I found this, a 5/8 socket, spark plug socket. And the cool thing about it is, it's the same dimensions as this hand crank that came with the camper. So what you want to do is take your socket and on the flats, locate a line that line up with your wrench on both sides. Make sure they're the same length. I'm just eyeballing it here. And it looks good. Turn it. Looks to be about the same length. And then what you want to do is use a hacksaw or a cutoff blade to cut the slots into the socket. I have a cutoff wheel and a 4.5 inch grinder, so I'm going to use that to cut those slots out. Okay, I got the slots cut out on the socket, and as you can see, it lines up pretty well. Let's go try it out. It works pretty well, and it's a very simple tool hack for your camper. And now you can do it step by step.